Good day everyone. Let me talk about an interesting medical practice for natural healing that has become quite popular right now. It's called chiropractic. So, what is chiropractic? Chiropractic is a natural healing science, art, and philosophy that focuses on identifying and then removing nervous system obstruction. Because your nervous system governs every element of your body, chiropractic may have a significant influence on many aspects of your health. It was founded in 1895 by David Palmer and is the world's biggest drug-free healthcare system, as well as the third largest primary healthcare system in the United States, behind medicine and dentistry. This year, about 25 million Americans will visit a chiropractor. Does it really work and how? Yes, chiropractic care is truly effective. Chiropractic is solidly rooted in science, and a growing amount of research demonstrates that it is secure, efficient, pleasant, and cost-effective. According to the most recent statistics, the majority of professional athletes and over 85% of Olympic competitors use chiropractic therapy to improve performance and maintain health. It certainly works. Chiropractic is founded on the idea that your nervous system regulates every physical feature and process in your body. Any bodily component or function that a nerve was directing will completely stop functioning if there is interference with the nervous system. For instance, back discomfort and muscular spasms are often present in people who have a pinched, irritated bundle of nerves in their lower back. Most individuals are unaware that the nerves in the low back also regulate other organs, such as the colon, bladder, and reproductive organs, in addition to the muscles. In addition to causing muscular spasms, irritation to the same nerve bundle can result in symptoms including constipation, diarrhea, difficulty with bladder control, and troubles with the menstrual cycle. The fact that someone with a pinched nerve bundle in their low back may exhibit the other symptoms but not pain or muscle spasms amazes many people. Because just roughly 10% of your nervous system alerts you to pain, you can experience a malfunction in 90% of your nervous system without experiencing pain. Because the spine is where the sensitive nerves are most likely to be pinched or irritated as they travel through on their way to govern every aspect of your body, chiropractors concentrate on this area. The majority of spinal issues are caused by your body being physically or mechanically stressed, such as via accidents, injuries, extended sitting, etc. Because of these strains and injuries, the surrounding joints become overused, loose, and finally injured, resulting in stiff, immobile joints. These issues also require physical and mechanical approaches to therapy. It is absurd to believe that taking a medicine will make a stiff, injured spinal joint more flexible. Drugs may mask pain and other symptoms, but they cannot treat the underlying medical causes of pain. In fact, using medications over time will cause more and more severe harm to the joint. Chiropractors use a variety of delicate techniques to physically restore your spine's natural mobility and function, which lessens nerve interference and enables your body to repair itself. These procedures, known as spinal adjustments, are often not only pain-free but also delightful. Is chiropractic safe? Yes. Chiropractic treatment is quite secure. In order to frighten you away from the safest type of healthcare and back to medicine, the most harmful kind, our competitors significantly inflated the little hazards of chiropractic therapy. Chiropractic has a safer track record than any medication, even Tylenol and baby aspirin. Thousands of Americans die each year from medical conditions, making it the third greatest cause of mortality in the USA behind heart disease and cancer. Don't you think it makes sense to start with chiropractic therapy first and then move on to more extreme and hazardous types of treatment like medicines and surgery if you don't feel better given how safe, conservative, and successful chiropractic care is? We live in a backward world where people frequently start with the riskiest, most intrusive procedures first and only turn to chiropractors as a last option. What age is the recommended minimum for a chiropractic examination? All ages can benefit greatly from chiropractic therapy, and ideally, a newborn should have their first checkup soon after delivery. I recognize your possible reaction. Newborn checkup? Why may a newborn infant require chiropractic care? Just pause for a moment and consider the birth process that a newborn goes through. Even during a typical natural birth, the baby's neck, back, and pelvis are subjected to intense forces of up to 90 pounds per square inch. Infant trauma and injuries are on the rise as a result of modern medicine converting delivery into a medical procedure rather than a natural process. The mother's capacity to feel and push the baby out is reduced when she is given medication, so the doctor is forced to tug and twist the infant out of the birth canal. Babies are meant to be squeezed and pushed out of the birth canal, which is natural and far safer than being dragged and stretched during delivery, which is unnatural and can result in harm. The risk of spine injuries after C-section births is also significantly greater than during normal delivery for the same reason. A spinal injury can happen at delivery in a matter of milliseconds. A sprain or even severe injury to the baby's spine might result from a sudden push from the mother, a pull from the doctor made at an incorrect angle or with too much force, the use of forceps or a vacuum, or any of these factors. This condition, known as a vertebral subluxation, can impair the development of the infant for the remainder of their life if it is not diagnosed and addressed. Chiropractic therapy is advantageous for people of all ages. In the correct situations, even a single chiropractic adjustment has helped many patients experience astonishing improvements in their quality of life. Your body has a remarkable capacity for recovery and improvement up until the moment of death. Never give up trying to get healthier. If your doctor ever says, "You'll just have to learn to live with it," he or she is actually telling you that you need to find a new doctor who will help you continue to improve and maintain your health and well-being for the rest of your life. Does treatment hurt? The majority of individuals find that receiving chiropractic adjustments, also known as spinal adjustments, is not only pleasant but also joyful. The traditional "no pain, no gain" philosophy is never used, and all therapy is tailored to each patient's degree of comfort. Children competing with their siblings to be the first one adjusted, despite the fact that they are too little to even stand up on the adjusting table by themselves, is endearing to see. When they saw how excited even the youngest children are to be in the chiropractic clinic and how much they enjoy getting adjusted, pediatricians would be green with envy. How long does a chiropractic appointment last? Give yourself 45 to 60 minutes for your first visit. You will have to fill out certain required health papers and meet with the doctor to discuss your symptoms, medical history, way of life, and health objectives at this session. A chiropractic physical examination is the next stage, followed by some really sophisticated neural system scans, perhaps an X-ray analysis, and ultimately, if you are in pain, some first aid care and home instructions. Allocate 30 to 45 minutes for the second visit. You'll get your doctor's report of findings after this appointment, in which he'll tell you if he can assist, explain what's wrong and why, estimate the cost and length of your care, and then inform you of your treatment choices. After that, you will have your first complete chiropractic adjustment treatment. Allow 10 to 20 minutes door to door on successive visits. Once your workup is over and you have established your treatment strategy and goals, the actual treatments could just take a few minutes. Do I have to continue receiving care once I begin? A strong practice should offer all patients the degree and frequency of care that they choose. There should never be any pressure to perform a task that you do not fully support. You are free to enjoy from all the amazing health and wellness advantages for as long and as frequently as you choose. The preferences of their patients should always be respected and supported by great doctors. Does chiropractic care make my body more dependent on it? Chiropractic treatments does not in any way lead to dependency on treatment. However, there is something about feeling great that is quite addictive. Funny thing is, once individuals start feeling well, they often want to continue feeling good. Your body will feel great after receiving chiropractic therapy because it will perform at a much greater level. Chiropractic treatment is like working out, but without all the perspiration. The advantage of exercising regularly is that you get physically fit, which feels far better than being unfit and out of shape. Most people who are in excellent condition continue to exercise because they like feeling fit. What occurs if they quit working out? Does exercise make your body dependent on it? Of course not, and receiving chiropractic therapy in no way becomes you reliant. In conclusion, safe conservative chiropractic treatment is a crucial component of a natural health way of life. You won't simply experience less discomfort and a higher quality of life, you'll also save your body from deteriorating permanently. Once again, I hope I have provided you with good information. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.